Purchasing a vinyl liner for your pool can be a confusing process, but with a bit of additional knowledge, you can be swimming in no time. Most reputable pool retailers talk in terms of mil, not gauge. When you think of mil, think liner thickness.
The higher the mil, the thicker the liner. For example, a 20 mil liner is 0.02 of an inch thick.
A 27 mil liner is 0.27 of an inch thick, and so on. You may be asking yourself, should I pay more for a thicker vinyl liner? The short answer is no. Pick the pattern you like. If it is a 20 mil liner and you like the pattern, go ahead and purchase it. Do not purchase a 30 mil liner simply because it is thicker. Buy the pattern you like and go from there. In fact, leading manufacturers also state that even though they make 40 mil liners, they don't actually recommend using anything thicker than a 20 mil liner. A thicker liner may not conform to the shape of the pool as well as thinner ones because of their thickness. EasyTest Pool Supplies has all that you need when it comes to your pool's liner. Visit us today.